Oh God of mercy, have mercy on them, for they don't know what they are doing. Who are these people and why are they tearing the Bible? Why are they telling people that Jesus Christ is fake? Why are they trying to make the world believe that Jesus Christ is fake, that he cannot eat the sick, he cannot raise the dead? The devil is a liar. Please pray for Nigeria. This is getting too much. New things is happening every day. Nobody know what is going on right now. God, have mercy, have mercy. No, they have started tearing Bible. The devil is a liar. Share the video.
Only to artists. Jesus Christ is a stranger in Africa. You will definitely pack your load and go. We are telling you today to pack your load and go. All those evil havoc you have becoming, the committee in our community, committee in Nigeria, committee in Africa. We tell you, Jesus Christ, pack your things and go. That you and all your followers, all your agents, that you people are fake. Those fake miracles that you people are doing stage manage, it is fake. We know it's fake. So if you know you can heal any sickness, Jesus Christ, we are putting this question to you. If you can heal any sickness, if your reverend fathers can heal any sickness, if they can heal any person that is sick, if they can cure any sickness, let them come and meet us on the 1st of November in Irua Specialist. I challenge all the reverend fathers, I challenge all the apostles, they should come so that they can heal any kidney patient there, they can heal any person that have liver problem, any person that have kidney problem, any person who is sick, so that